TikTok dark mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get the dark mode on TikTok app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to get the dark mode on TikTok on Android, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, you can go ahead and launch the TikTok application, and you also want to make sure to simply sign into your TikTok account, right? And once you've signed into your TikTok account, the issue over here is quite simple. Even if you logged into your account, you tap on the three lines option, you can see that we don't have the dark mode option. You have got live, you can watch the live videos of other people if you want, you can go to content preferences, playback, language, home screen shortcuts, and so on. But as you can see, we don't have the option to choose the dark mode. So currently, as of this video is being made, TikTok does not support dark mode for Android users. Even if you enabled as a first developer options, that is not going to work on TikTok. Hopefully in the future TikTok might come up with an update. iOS definitely does have the option, but unfortunately not on Android. So hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.